Have you ever wondered why something you really want didn't happen, only to realize later it was actually a blessing? As Dalai Lama wisely said, sometimes not getting what you want is a wonderful stroke of luck. With this, a very warm good morning, one and all present over here. I am Mahi Singh Rajpurat and I completed my 12th this year from LPS School Vidyawadi in Rajasthan. Today I would love to share two stories that remind me of one simple truth. That is, whatever happens, happens for good. Have you ever been pushed onto the stage against your will? Well, me too. Let me take you back to my 11th grade in 2023 when I was terrified of public speaking and I would do anything to being avoided by the spotlight. But then came our school farewell party. A short speech had to be delivered. The faculty chosen me to replace the original speaker. I begged each and every faculty member to choose someone else. But they simply smiled and said, "It would be good for you." I was in deep sorrow. But on the day of the farewell, I stood behind the mic with trembling hands and I could barely breathe. But once I started reading my speech, something unexpected happened. I didn't freeze. My voice grew stronger with every single line. And when I ended with my speech, the audience gave a huge round of applause to me, and I was actually on cloud nine that day. If I hadn't been pushed onto the stage that day, I would have never discovered the speaker within me. The second story is my personal favorite from here to the highest score. Back in 2023, again in my 11th grade, I was horrified to see political science in my subject list. It was time to bite the bullet for me. I dared every class and thought to switch the subject. But one of my classmates encouraged me to just give it for one term. Around that time, our school appointed a new political science teacher, Mrs. Priyanka Lakhawat, and believe me, she was the queen of politics. She made the subject came alive. The way she compared contemporary politics to the contemporary world has my heart smitten now. Again, I scored not well. But by my 12th, I was the one who was making colorful notes, asking questions, and ready to attend whole 7 lectures of political science. But again that time, one of my classmates again said that number to आंधी रहे, पढ़ के फायदा है नहीं. By then, when board examination came around, I did my best, but as always, I didn't expect much. A month later, when CBSE declared its result on 13 May 2025, to my surprise, I had scored 98 out of 100 in political science, which was the highest in the school. And I was actually on cloud nine that day. Again, that result taught me something very powerful. The thing you resist the most are the things that help you to grow the most. Thank you so much for your invaluable time. But remember, life doesn't go always according to your plan because it has something more precious and more valuable in store for us. Thank you so much.